The Fluke 875 is the industry standard in industrial multimeters, matched by no other. The Fluke 875 industrial multimeter allows you to gain productivity by taking the guesswork out of drive system troubleshooting, even in loud, high energy, and high altitude locations. The Fluke 875 features accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives via a Fluke-designed low-pass filter, a built-in thermometer to allow temperature measurements, Category 3 1000 volt and Category 4 600 volt safety rated, designed and built in the USA and has a lifetime warranty.